Hello everyone. So let's begin our chapter reading from page number 49. Who came from where? Have you included human beings also in your list? Yes, we also carry seeds from one place to another, knowingly or unknowingly. We bring the seeds of plants that we find beautiful or useful to grow them in our garden. हम अच्छे अच्छे सीड्स जो हमको लगते हैं हमें अपने गार्डन में उगाने हैं वो हम लेकर आते हैं और उनको अपने गार्डन में ग्रो करते हैं. लेटर द सीड्स ऑफ दीज प्लांट्स आर स्प्रेड टू अदर प्लेसेस. अब हमने कुछ गार्डन में ग्रो किया, उसकी सीड्स कहीं और भी जाकर ग्रो कर जाती हैं. कैसे? बर्ड्स, हमने डिस्कस किया, बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स, एयर एंड वाटर ट्रांसफर देम. क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको? सीड डिस्पर्सल. Many years later, people may not even remember that these plants did not grow here earlier. They were brought from somewhere else. Do you know from where chilies came to our country? जो chilies होती है, मिर्च होती है, वो कहाँ से आई थी? These were brought to India by traders which were coming from South America. So originally, chilies are not Indian. Chilies came from South America. Today we cannot even think of our food without our chilies. Yes? So now let's read this poem and find out which plant came from where. Did you know this? From South America long ago came a tomato, a potato and a green chili. Do you know this? A cabbage came from Europe and also a pea. From Africa came a coffee bean and a green bhindi. They crossed the land and they crossed the sea. See how from so far away they have come. They have come from so many thousands of kilometers away they were grown, and from there they have traveled to India. Did you know this? A mango sang, come in, an orange smiled inside its skin. Welcome to India, a banana said. The methi and spinach, brinjal and radish nodded its head. Did you know this? So, क्या क्या अवेलेबल थे इंडिया में? मैंगो, ऑरेंज, बनाना, मेथी, स्पिनिच, ब्रिंजल, रेडिश, ये सब इंडिया में थे. एंड दे वेलकम हु ऑल? दे वेलकम फ्रॉम साउथ अमेरिका, दे वेलकम टोमेटो, पोटैटो एंड ग्रीन चिली. एंड फ्रॉम यूरोप कैबेज एंड पी. एंड फ्रॉम अफ्रीका कॉफी बीन्स एंड भिंडी. So they all came from such a long distance, and today we eat them as they are grown here. We don't even realize कि they were not earlier grown here. They have come from such a long distance. What all was grown in India long ago? Were mangoes and bananas grown here? Yes, mangoes and bananas were grown here. What came from other countries? Imagine food without potatoes and tomatoes. Imagine potato came from South America, and so tomato. And today we do not have even a dish where we don't eat potato. Almost every day or every alternate day we eat a potato sabzi. So what have we learnt in this chapter? Reena has drawn his picture of the seeds sprouted by her. What do you think the seeds need for sprouting? Write in your own words. How would Reena's seed look if they did not get the things needed? Show by drawing a picture. So हमने डिस्कस किया है इस बात को कि हमने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था जिसमें हमने 3 बोल्स रखे थे, और उस एक्सपेरिमेंट से हमने क्या पता किया था कि सीड्स को क्या क्या चाहिए होता है? एयर एंड वाटर. और अगर वो नहीं मिलेगा, अगर पानी मिला और एयर नहीं मिला तो वो स्वलन हो जाएंगी, और अगर पानी नहीं मिला, एयर मिली, तो वो एज इट इज रहेंगी. सो दे रिक्वायर एयर एंड वाटर फॉर प्रॉपर जर्मिनेशन ऑफ द सीड. And how do seeds spread to the far off places? Write in your own words. So this also we have discussed in our previous videos, that seeds travel to different places through air, water, or by the help of birds and animals. So with this we finish our chapter. I hope you liked it. I hope you understood it.